This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the Realme C65 5G so the update runs smoothly. First, make sure the battery is above 50% or keep the charger plugged in. This prevents interruptions. Then back up your essential data, photos, contacts, and app settings to cloud or PC so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network because OTA packages can be large. Now open Settings, tap System Updates, and check for the latest update to start downloading. Once the update package is downloaded, you'll tap Install and allow the phone to reboot. This is where the actual patching happens. During installation, the device applies new system files and optimizations. Make sure you do not interrupt power or force shutdown. You'll see a progress percentage and status messages. Monitor them for errors. If updates include Android security or UI changes, the first boot may take longer. After reboot, let the phone complete background optimization before unlocking and checking apps. After the phone finishes booting, confirm the new build number in Settings right arrow about phone so you know the update applied. You should inspect key apps and connectivity. If something misbehaves, clear app cache or reset network settings to resolve conflicts. If the device gets stuck in a boot loop, power off, boot into recovery mode, and try wiping cache partition first. If that fails, restore from your backup or perform a factory reset as last resort. Keep calm and follow each step methodically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.